Which kind of food are you eating?
Since this thing starts, I don't used to eat food again.
I ask you, do you eat today?
No, what I eat in the morning was not.
What do you eat in the morning?
Oh, I take just malt and milk.
You take what?
Malt and milk, finish.
Malt and milk?
Yes, because I cannot.
Do you know what you mean, malt and milk?
Yes.
Malt and milk is like food for the fat people. If you want to be fat.
That's what I take because of that strength.
Do you know that malt is a heavyweight something? Milk is another joint heavyweight. If you take milk and malt,
joint fat,
you will not be hungry again. I know what I'm talking about.
Exactly, sir. It's true.
Malt and milk is a balanced diet. It's an intercontinental dish.
Exactly, sir.
Exactly. So the woman has already been eating overdose.
Exactly.
Because a woman with pregnant